Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I will show you an amazing solution to grow hair faster, thicker, and stronger, through an effective natural remedy, to enjoy hair thicker and stronger. But in the beginning, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing to the channel and activate the bell. There is a lot in your shampoo. It is not just a simple hair care product, but something that influences your hair quality and hair growth. You can definitely try out different hair treatments to address your hair loss problems, though they may not necessarily yield good results. The trick lies in making your shampoo strong and powerful, so that it fixes all your hair loss issues and makes your hair grow faster and stronger. For isn't shampoo the most commonly used daily hair care product? Make yourself this luscious coffee shampoo at home, and in less than a month you will have dark and thick hair that gives out a natural shine. How coffee helps boost hair growth. Ground coffee, a potent source of caffeine, is a natural hair care ingredient that can be used to promote fast hair growth. It even adds a natural softness and gloss to your hair, and more than anything else, serves as a natural dye which helps cover all your grays in the finest possible way. Coffee nourishes your hair roots by making your hair follicles strong, boosts blood circulation to the scalp, and improves its texture. Coffee shampoo recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoons coffee powder, 4 tablespoons shampoo. Method of preparation: in a small bowl pour the shampoo. Dip in the coffee powder into the shampoo. Blend well. Wet your hair, apply the shampoo and massage your scalp thoroughly. Leave it on for about 5 minutes and rinse off. Repeat this ritual thrice a week, and your hair will grow long and shiny in less than 3 weeks. The caffeine in this coffee shampoo will boost blood circulation in your scalp and make your hair healthy and less prone to breakage. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you in your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friend. Coffee hair spray recipe. Method of preparation: brew a cup of black coffee and let it come down to room temperature. Pour it into a clean spray bottle. Shampoo your hair and spray the black coffee to your scalp, going thoroughly over the roots. Now massage your scalp well. Allow it to seep in for about 15 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. Make this coffee rinse at home and apply it every time you shampoo your hair, and in just 1 month your hair will become smooth and glossy, and your scalp will become healthy. Coffee hair mask recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 teaspoons coffee powder. Method of preparation: in a bowl, blend together honey, olive oil and coffee powder into a thick paste. Apply it on your scalp, going from root to tip generously. Allow it to dry for about 20 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. Repeat this ritual twice a week for about 1 month for desired results. How olive oil is helpful. Olive oil is rich in monosaturated fatty acids, which helps strengthen hair follicles and prevents hair breakage. Olive oil also helps thicken hair. How honey is helpful. Honey is a natural moisturizer and conditioner for the hair. It nourishes the hair with essential nutrients and keeps it soft and shiny. Make yourself this coffee shampoo, coffee rinse or coffee hair mask, and you will never have to go for fancy hair treatments. Your hair will become naturally shiny, long and thick. If you like to see more such videos, hit the subscribe button, so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.